It's a giant robot waiting.
Game 2.
You got the Royal Tribute again?
Yep.
You have the Neck Rally to follow up with the Royal Tribute?
Indeed.
Well, I didn't want my hand anyways.
Go.
Lying to me, huh?
He just felt bad for you.
Oh my god!
The Hall of Mirrors. Oh, no.
Go ahead.
2 face down.
Prove you still wearing.
I'll see your 2 face downs and raise you one.
Raise you 3 face downs.
Rally.
Now do you actually have the trivia or are you just bullshitting me?
I might flip it if you want me to.
Oh, I'm thinking.
That face down might be fun.
Yes. That's cool.
Somebody doesn't like their Gravekeeper spells.
He wasn't keeping life play track and I was. And you thought it wasn't a game when I had a 42 frag and he had a 0 attack.
Do you feel man enough for that Royal Tribute?
How many cards in hand?
3. Okay.
Attack?
I literally couldn't do anything.
Oh, doesn't that just blow?
Of course it does. Go.
I need a monster though.
You can have one of his. He just threw away like 3 of them.
2.
Okay, yeah, I got a
Harder.
about 4.
Come on, Wonder Woman.
Oh, I thought you just said, "Come on, Wonder Woman." Go ahead. Yes, sir.
What creature attack?
He's gonna block you with a Spirit Reaper.
Yes, he is.
Flip enemy controller.
These are cool. These are cool. These are beast. President?
No.
I'm gonna take away your whole hand. You're gonna talk to me.
I don't have any
Face
hand.
down.
I'm starting with stuff that I'm anticipating in starting things.
Didn't get a chance to flip it.
Valley.
Boom.
Rat. Jing jing jong. Look who's here to say hi. Hi, mister.
I looked at my side deck and I was like, who's my side deck myself?
When's the water structure day?
Never. No idea.
I'm gonna regret
Like October.
I don't follow stuff like that.
Okay, now I gotta do something.
Andrew sided like I
You're
was
gonna run
using
it, aren't you?
Hyrule. I sided like
Amazing.
I sided like I was using normal monster day.
What's the chance the Dark Hero comes out before Vice's Toronto? It's supposed to come in August.
August. I think it's like August 7th or whatever.
Is it early?
1st or 2nd week of August.
Okay. So it would be legal for Toronto.
Oh yeah.
Just so I can expect Hero.
That's how I got Nordic because I anticipated you starting.
Hero?
So I actually kind of did.
I've been using Bubble Man.
I'm all about the ice cream with masks in the water.
I'm using
I think it's awesome. I love the thing.
Dude, you just play that
Yeah, you need to do that.
I want to
Play
play
this since I started playing.
No, even better, even better.
Except for that one time I played cards.
Ocean's Effect, change that mask game.
Start renting to get deck for me.
Renting.
All the cost is you pay my entry fee and I get your wins. You can win anything.
You only have to
Juan was supposed to come today and rent Rabid, but we decided not to get it till 11:30.
Well, you want to usually lower up your stuff from actions, otherwise
Can you, okay, can you target when you do effect? Like, can you go like ocean, go to activate effect, water art, take out, and grab ocean back?
I'm pretty sure you can do that.
That's pretty sick.
Triple pitch, okay.
I don't even need to use Hunter to get rid of the card in your hand. I have a Spirit Reaper that does the same thing.
You got Tom?
Two.
I don't have any cards in my hand.
You will after you're a recruiter.
Touché. Forget about that. Searching. My first look, how did you beat 4 stamps?
That's all I was thinking of since all the time on that subway.
How did you beat
Not
Force
bad.
Ends? I played one side. You had
Just
really
that
bad
he's
hands.
side. He's a light. No. He's a light. And he's a.
I'm offended.
Well, if I'm middle of Cyber Drag, he's a light that counts for
Okay.
But how many like machine decks do you really play against?
Well, he's also
Can't
support
take care of
sword
your
too,
hand.
right? Like for example, I go Cyber
So
Drag.
I can't get over the command.
I'm not really gonna want to do that.
16 hands.
He's only really good machine.
It is against a wind-up deck.
I don't even think I was having our conversation.
Was it? Lila?
You mad, bro?
Me? No. I'm good.
Question. You probably already switched to
I got greedy.
I already
Thought I could still get past the guy. And
Oh, he's gonna top Dark Hole. And it's gonna suck.
yeah, if it happens, it happens.
Like when you target the stock shop, does it switch to defense then, or does it switch after it blows up the stock shop?
I don't know.
I don't think it's a cost, but you get the requirement.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Requiring
Like
you
a 1 in
to go,
33
yeah.
chance.
It's not like switch one card to defense and do this.
18, 21, 18, 18. Yeah.
Lila's effect. Like if you activate it and then it gets negated, if Lila switches to defense
It does
mode,
not.
It's not?
It does not switch.
Oh, if it gets melee, it stays in.
It stays in attack mode.
Okay, I'm gonna go compulsive.
200. Six. What do you actually plan on getting that's going to help you? Another recruiter? Numero 20. He's a brillante. Laughs at you. Mwah, mwah.
I should have said that. I see.
Pass for 18.
I wanted to go on the offensive. I was like, I'm going to go on the offensive.
Well, I don't
Attack
understand.
with
You were like
attack
looking
with
out there for a minute and you didn't have the doors in your hand. And I'm like, I
Yeah,
thought you
It's
so
not bad.
Six.
It's.
Go
I was
ahead.
thinking you might have a light version mirrors bent down.
This is a
so
bad day
more
for you,
speed
isn't
go
it?
off,
It is.
Yeah.
Right? And you weren't hitting the wrist like Tennessee
Okay.
in base.
Wind-ups win.